Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel for employment updates. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel so you may get the latest update as early as possible. So, today we are here to present the post of assistant professor, associate professor, and professors in multiple universities. Those who have not applied, apply as soon as possible. So, let's view these advertisement. Chitkara University is located near Chandigarh on Chandigarh Ludhiana Road. That is a very good university in North India with good NIRF ranking, NAC plus. They invite for the faculty position in professor, associate professor, assistant professor as per UGC norms, and in computer science and engineering, AI, machine learning, data analytics, cyber security, algorithm, full stack development, and programming field are required. For in business, finance, marketing, supply chain, pharma, healthcare, and HR discipline are required. For architecture and design, UX, UI, fashion, animation, communication, design, director, principal are required in architecture. For healthcare, in physiotherapy, MLT, radiology, optometry, and OTT, in these discipline faculties are required. In liberal arts, psychology, economics, sociology, philosophy, in these discipline are required. And dean exam, dean academic affairs, registrar, head IQ, human resource head and managers, they are also required for operation and talent acquisition. Dean student affair is also required. Hostel wardens. So these are the above posts for which Chitkara University is inviting the applications. Interested candidate can mail their resume at accent@chitkara.edu.in. Galgotia University. It is also good university of NCR. They invite work-in interview for the professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in School of Computer Science and Engineering in the following specialization: artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, data analytics, cyber security, digital forensic, computer networking and 5G, cloud computing and virtualization, internet of things, full stack development, blockchain, gaming, graphics, VR, AR, XR. And eligibility condition for professor are PhD with 10-year experience, for associate professor PhD with 8-year experience, for assistant professor postgraduate in relevant discipline, PhD candidate will be preferred. So candidate whose credential match the above mentioned criteria may walk in for an interview, and the interview timing and when you are timing is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, 20th November 2021 at Park Inn by Radisson, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. For any query, you can contact Director HR Galgotia University. Graphikira University, that is a deemed university in Dehradun. So they have invited walk-in interview for academic positions, administrative position, Directorate of Distance and Online Education, and for hostel positions. And for academic position, they have called in computer science and engineering department, artificial intelligence, data science, internet security, machine learning, and in department of electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, computer application, biotechnology, microbiology, food technology, management studies, hotel management, department of commerce, department of humanities and social science. For the position of professor, 10 year of experience in assistant professor, associate professor or research level scientist position required. And for associate professor, 8 year of teaching experience at the level of assistant professor are required. For assistant professor, UGC ICT norms, according to UGC ICT norms, PhD degree with SCI and Scopus and UGC listed publication. Directorate of distance education, in this director, deputy director and assistant director positions are there, and for that case 5-year experience on similar capacity is required. In administrative position, head technology business incubator, 10 to 15 year experience with engineering degree or postgraduate with preferably MBA degree are required. For that, 4 to 6 year working experience with the entrepreneur, startup, learning labs, incubator, incubation consultancy, industry or chamber of business of commerce, and state and central government and with angel investor is required. And then for controller of examination, qualification will be as per UGC ICT norms, 15-year experience as the assistant professor, associate professor, having experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment or at the level of DR, deputy registrar. And for administrative officer, MBA or graduate with 2 to 5 year experience in assisting coordination, supervision, completion of the work as assigned, and capable of handling all the administration at university level. Then manager digital marketing graduate, preferably MBA with a pleasing personality, having at least 2 year experience in digital marketing field. Then PRO, public relation officer, for that postgraduate MBA or mass comm with 6 to 8 year experience is required. And then hostel superintendent, graduate with minimum 5 year experience, fluency with English and excellent listening skills, and essential candidate should well versed with the MS Office and the internet. And hostel warden, separate for boys and girls hostel, graduate with minimum 3 year experience as hostel warden in an institute, college of repute, should be capable of handling hostel issue independently, including interaction with the parents, guardian, university and local authorities. And for all the above positions, interested candidate may walk in interview with a copy of updated CV, credential and recent passport size photo on 18th, 19th and 20 November 2021 from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. at B6 by 11 lower ground floor, Safdarjung Enclave, New Delhi. Candidate unable to the walk-in interview may send their resume within 7 days to Registrar Graphikira, Bell Road, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, or HRD@geu.ac.in.